If you are a TikToker and all you do is just to like, comment and share people's video in 2024, I'm sorry to say you are really behind, because you can be making a lot of money than just sharing videos and commenting on people's video. In this video guys, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money on TikTok even with less than 1,000 followers. Yes, I say it again, with less than 1,000 followers you can make money daily on TikTok. So just sit back and relax and make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll be right back. Welcome back guys. I said you can make money on TikTok even with less than 1,000 followers. And how do I mean? The first time I joined TikTok, I only have 45 followers, and I watched the video how I can make money on TikTok with less than 1,000 followers. At first I thought it was a joke, not until I practicalized it and I really made money. Yes, I made money. Now, so how do you go about this? TikTok have this principle whereby if you don't have up to 1,000 followers, you can't go on live on TikTok. Yes, you can't go on live if you don't have up to 1,000 followers on TikTok. But you can join people's live on TikTok. They can ask you to request and you can join their live. So on this fateful day, I joined some people's live on TikTok and we are having a singing competition. The guy was having his birthday and he asked people to come up live so to sing for him and appreciate him for his birthday. So I joined the live. I was just having fun and I sang and he loved my voice and he gave me some money. He said, "Guy, I just gifted you now. Check your wallet." I went, wow. I checked my balance and the money reflected. So even without 1,000 followers, I still make money. So if you want to make money even with your less than 1,000 followers, just join people's live, engage in their conversation. People always come on people's live to see what they are doing, if it's really making sense. And if it's making sense, sometimes they give out coins, sometimes they even give out baby lions and other gifts like that. So that's the first step on how you can make money on TikTok. The second step on how you can make money on TikTok is when you have your 1,000 followers. Yes, when you have your 1,000 followers, TikTok allow you to go live. Now if you go live, depending on what value you want to bring on the platform, if you are a fashion designer, if you are a hairstylist, you can be teaching people how to make their hair, how to do their eyelashes, how to do all kinds of stuff on TikTok. And by the time you go live, you start teaching people all these things. It simply means that you are bringing value to the platform. And voluntarily, people will be giving you coins, giving you money voluntarily by themselves. And before you know, daily you are cashing out just because you are sharing your knowledge on the platform, unlike you just going there to comment and like people's video. So the first one I said, you have to join people's live and join the conversation. Then they start giving you guys coin and gifts. The second one I said, you have to have 1,000 followers. Then you go live yourself and teach people different things you know about, and they start appreciating you, give you card, give you coins, and all kind of things like that. The third way is on how you can make money on TikTok. You don't even need to go live. You don't even need to join people conversation. This one is really different. And the funny thing is, most people don't know about it. So I'm going to explain to you guys. There are 3 segments. I'm going to explain to you guys how to go about that so fast. But this time, I'm going to take you through my phone. So guys, let's go straight to my phone and let me show you how to go about it. Come. Very simple.
So let's just say this is your page. So you click on that 3 dash up there. You click on creators tools. So yeah, all these things, live center, subscription, marketplace, fund, live gig, these are all the ways people make money on TikTok. So the first one is subscription. So this is called live subscription. In your live stream, you see that stars, those are subscription. People can subscribe to you $5 a month, $5 something a month. So this is where you can make money. The next one is called creators fund. They call it creators fund, and note this creators fund is not available in all countries, so you can check if it is in yours. Hey, if you see something like this in your creator tools, so these are all to participate. Your account must be in good standing and you must not you have not violated any community guidelines. So these are all the criteria: 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views. To activate this creators fund, they'll be paying you for view. They'll be paying you for your view. And also when you reach 10,000, you can activate video gifts. So the next one is called tips. When you go to tips, See, get tips directly from your viewers. This is where you can put in your bank details, your card, your bank. This one, anybody that gives you money goes directly to your card. So this one, you must be 100,000 followers. You must have at least 100,000 followers and meet all those requirements. Then you can apply for these tips. So people can pay in any amount of money. Your followers can assist you or help you with any money. So that is another place. Another one is called Marketplace. This is called Creators Marketplace. Get paid for your creativity. Collaborate with brands easily and get paid when you create for campaigns. So yeah, this is where brand can endorse you. So you must be at least 18 years, have at least 10,000 followers. These are all the criteria. Brands can contact you that you should do a post for them, they will pay you, or you can contact them to do a post for them and they will pay you. So this is another way for you to earn here on TikTok.
As you can see, guys, the last video you watched is not my voice, and the reason is the fact that for you to access those features I just showed you, you have to have a specific amount of followers for you to see those features on your TikTok. If this video is helpful to you guys, kindly help me click the subscribe button and on your notification bell. Thank you for watching my video. Peace out. Love you guys.